That's right, Maurice. Another defeat for the GOP. 7 Republicans, all Democrats, voted against a plan to repeal Obamacare without a replacement, and that was easily enough to defeat the plan. But that was expected, and the GOP leadership says the battle will go on.
It can't afford.
Senators engaged in a spirited debate about the future of health care.
Obamacare premiums have doubled because the young, healthy people are saying it costs too much, and the sicker and sicker people are the only ones left in insurance.
Half the country will have 0 insurance choices in the private marketplace under this repeal scheme.
No.
This afternoon, a bill to repeal Obamacare failed 55 to 45. This after a vote to repeal and replace failed last night. But Republicans vow to fight on.
We're determined to do everything we can to succeed. We know our constituents are counting on us.
When you find yourself in a hole, the first rule is stop digging.
In the meantime, President Trump did not respond to questions at the White House on his decision to not accept or allow transgender people in the military.
How did you decide your policy on transgender people in the military?
You go ahead. She's very rude.
The president's decision came in a series of tweets this morning. He said the government will not accept transgender individuals to serve in any capacity in the U.S. military. He cited, quote, the tremendous medical costs and disruption that transgender in the military would entail.
This was about military readiness. This was about unit cohesion. This was about resources within the military.
But critics pointed to a Trump tweet from June of 2016 during the campaign. Thank you to the LGBT community. I will fight for you while Hillary brings in more people that will threaten your freedoms and beliefs. Navy Lieutenant Commander Blake Draymond, who's been serving as a man for the past 3 years, calls the decision disappointing.
Transgender people are already serving in various aspects of the military honorably, and they've shown no impact to readiness or the lethality of our mission.
President Trump was also tweeting and bashing his Attorney General, Jeff Sessions, writing, why didn't AG Sessions replace acting FBI Director Andrew McCabe, a Comey friend who was in charge of Clinton investigation but got big dollars, $700,000, for his wife's political run from Hillary Clinton and her representatives? Drain the swamp. Sessions was at the White House this morning but did not meet with the president.
I think the president's been very clear about where he is. He's obviously disappointed, but also wants the Attorney General to continue to focus on the things that the Attorney General does.
Now, as for health care, the process is expected to go on through the end of the week, with the GOP leadership now discussing a so-called skinny bill. Now, the skinny bill would let Republican lawmakers repeal parts of Obamacare that they don't like, then push the legislation to the House and Senate negotiators to work out a final compromise. In the newsroom, Dick Brennan, CBS 2 News.